KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today, nice classic recipe, this one, a rosemary and onion stuffed roast chicken. Nice and easy and basic. First thing we need, of course, is an onion. I'm just going to top and tail that and peel it. Very simple to do, and I'm using a box grater and I'm just going to grate this onion up. Just be careful of your knuckles and your fingertips, it will hurt. Place that beautifully grated onion straight into a mixing bowl like that. Get out your spice grinder or mortar and pestle. Around about 3 tablespoons worth of fresh rosemary leaves. Give that a blitz up in your spice grinder and put that straight in. Get a bit of paper towel, of course, and wipe out that spice grinder. The rosemary will stick a little bit. Around about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons worth of Himalayan pink rock salt. Same again of freshly ground black pepper. Just add all of that in as well. Around about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons worth of garlic powder, depending on how you like it. The zest of 1/4 of a lemon. Once again, be careful using your microplane. You might lose a little bit of skin off the end of your fingers. Around about a cup to a cup and a half worth of fresh breadcrumbs. Give that a quick stir through like that, and we're going to add in around about 1 to 2 tablespoons worth of your favorite salad dressing. That was just a basic Italian style salad dressing, and that oil and vinegar will work together and keep that chicken nice and moist. Get your little bit of rosemary and sharpen one end like I've just done there. Now we're ready to stuff our chicken. We want to keep this stuffing a little bit loose. We don't want it too tight. We want the chicken juices to sort of be absorbed into that beautiful seasoning that we've just made, or that stuffing that we've just made. So just loosely pack your bird like that, and we can show you another cool tip. That little stick that we just sharpened, we're going to use that to sew the rear of the bird shut. So just go backwards and forwards like I'm doing there, and you end up with this really cool looking bit of garnish, for a better word. I'm going to season the skin of the chicken before we put that into the oven. A little bit of black, a little bit of white pepper, and of course a good bit of salt. Now, our oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, and we're getting ready to get this bird nice and hot. I've got a bit of kitchen twine here. I'm just going to pull these legs together a little bit, just wrap it around each leg a couple of times, and all we need to do is give that a little bit of a tie off. Just tie a knot to the best of your ability. Don't cut off any excess like that. In that bird goes. It's a 2 kilo bird for about 2 hours. Give it a bit of spray oil or butter or whatever you like on top. Salad dressing also works really good on the chicken skin and helps it go brown. That's off. We've got some nice little carrots here. I've just cut those lengthways, giving them a peel, top and tail, of course. Put those aside. The other thing I've also got is some little potatoes. I've just wrapped those up in aluminium foil. After the bird has been in for about half an hour, put those potatoes straight into the oven just as they are. Right, and put those carrots in around about an hour before the bird's done. So put the bird in for an hour, put the carrots in, and before you know it, we're going to have ourselves a nice little roast dinner. Very, very simple and very, very easy to do. Cover that bird up for around about 20 minutes. Just let it rest for a little bit. Let some of those juices get back in. Get rid of the string. We don't want that. So we'll just cut that off and just cut the chicken up the way you want it. I like Big Mary Lands. That's my favourite. I'm always been a leg man. So you can cut the legs, the breast, whatever. You can serve that up with a little bit of your stuffing, of course, some carrots, and don't forget your potatoes. They just pop out of the foil just like that, and just finish it off with a bit of gravy just for good measure. Alright, like to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn just real simple home style recipes like this. You need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Right, off to it, this mad rosemary and onion stuffed roast chicken and dinner, and I will catch you next time. Bye!